house. We have this house in front of us. Actually, this is the back part of the house, but the front part is on the other side. Okay? So this is Casa Onisan from Onisan, Quezon Province. And the house was built in 1839 in the ownership of Don Antonio Maxino. And it was the first ever stone house in Onisan. And during the time, stones were more expensive than woods. And like today, woods are more expensive. Meaning this house belonged to a prominent family in Onisan. So right now, first floor, this is one of our restaurants as well. This is the Filipino restaurant Kusina ni Nanay Maria. Nanay Maria is the mother of Mr. Acuzar, so she shared some of her Filipino recipes. That's why this restaurant offers Filipino dish and some Asian cuisine. And this is also open from 12 noon to 9 p.m. Okay, so for today, we have the Italian, Filipino, and then the other one is Spanish restaurant. 3 restaurants today, okay? And then on that side, to your right, that house is Casa Jaen Uno from Jaen, Nueva Ecija, built in 1901 in the ownership of Don Hilarion Santiago Esquivel. And the house was known as the White House of Jaen because their first ever mayor used to live inside that house. If you take a look at the roof part, you can see on the edge of the roof, doon po sa gilid, crown-like design or crown-like structures, and those crown-like designs are called acroterion or crown calados. And before, it was also a status symbol, meaning the house belonged to a prominent or rich family in the area. So now you know, when you get back home, you should put a crown on your roof part to flaunt your wealth. So, anyway, that's Casa Jaen Uno from Jaen. And then this area, this is what we call Plaza Belmonte, named after Mr. Sandy Belmonte. Oh? Yeah, that's the son of Mr. Sandy Belmonte. He's one of Mr. Acuzar's friends, and then the bust beside him, that's the bust of Lito Atienza. So on the other side, we have Plaza Atienza. So that's how Mr. Acuzar is. As a friend, he likes to have a statue out of his friends, and then he will name a plaza after you, even if you're still alive, okay? So Plaza Belmonte. So for our last house to visit, that big house over there, that's Casa Luna from Launon. This is
Oh, Dad!
yes.
Hindi na ako magugulat sa may rebulto ka na dyan. Ano ba ito to? That's how we used to write.